This is the last step that we're doing for the Lenovo G50-80. There was a crack on the other side of the screen, so I just threw some crazy glue on it, some duct tape. Should prevent any further cracking. But I've spent way too long on this machine, so it's got to be finished now, and I'll be happy. So this is it. Alright, fast forward. Alright, one last thing. The hinges on this are a little bit too loose. Originally I had to loosen them. Otherwise they would have kept cracking the base. So this has to be tightened up. The problem is getting something small enough in there to actually tighten it. It's going to be a challenge. So hopefully I'll find the one I need, which doesn't look too promising right now. Man, I gotta organize. I'll be back. Alright, here's the hinge. Right there. This is what I have to use to get to the damn hinge. There we go. One more turn. Much better. Much better. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Good. Hell yeah. That's a done deal. All right. Before, this hinge was flopping all over the place, or the LCD was flopping all over the place. Now it's in pretty good condition. A couple tabs here. It's like the 5th time I'm opening this thing. Every time I close it up and get it going, something else reveals itself to be screwed up. So this tab is 1 out of 3. This tab is 2 out of 3. Keyboard is 3 out of 3. This is the 3rd and final piece before it all gets screwed back together. Actually, he was going to have 2 extra gigabytes of RAM installed to make the machine a lot faster. And despite what anything you may read or have heard, the only way to increase the speed of a laptop, other than software wise, you can always remove programs that start up when you turn on the machine, and that's still only going to give you a limited amount of performance increase. But if you increase the physical amount of RAM that the machine has access to, you will increase the speed of the machine, and that's the only way to do it. There is no other way. Actually, that's not true, because they have Ready Boost as well, which is still creating a cache file on an external USB stick, but this is all internal. So RAM's the way to go if you want to speed up your machine. Keep in mind, 32-bit processors can only access 4 gigabytes of RAM, but this is a 64-bit, so we'll have no issues there. Popping up, I'd be a little happier, but that's good for now. Find the bezel and be done. Alright, I'm about to do a clean out, and I've got this True Key protection crap on this laptop, so if I can't I should be able to get into the BIOS. I don't know if they have function key enabled. I might have to restart it again. I have an external keyboard attached here. Alright.